Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the SingHong Smart LED light bulb. Now this has a timer, it has an app, so you can cycle through all the different colors. So let's open the box and look at it. Alright, here it is. This is the front facing, and this is the back. And the side here is a little panel that tells you about the different features. And then the top right here, it tells you that you can have them in a group, control it in a group setting, setting all your colors for the RGB. It has a timer, you schedule, you can control dimness of it and brightness. Okay. Now let's open the box up. Let's see there. Alright, that's it. That's all that comes in the box. The bulb. And this little instruction manual here. That's all that comes in the box. Okay. Alright, now let's get this activated here. I have the app. Show you guys here. This is the app. I don't know if you guys can see it. I won't be able to see it, but it's the app right here that you can download. It is on Android and is on the Apple store, so either way you can have your app. Right now it's scanning. I haven't put the power in the light yet, but it activates the Bluetooth and it scans for your light. So I'm going to put this in the lamp and let's see what happens. The lamp right here, ready to go. Alright, got that in there. Now turn my app on, and it should be scanning for it right now. Let's see. Alright, it picked it up, and as you can see, it says all bulbs. That's the one you use if you have multiple light bulbs. You can do them in groups, so you can have them all different colors. You can have them doing anything you want. And then it just picks up the version I have. It'll tell you the model code. Okay? Now, here's what you can do. You can change the colors. You can see I just changed the color. Right there. Anything you want. You can change the brightness. Right there. Okay. So you can do everything you want from your app. Whatever you like. And there's the settings on the bottom here. You can do your schedule. I don't know if you guys can even see this, but it has a schedule. You can name it. Whatever you want, you can name it. If you're going to do a group of these, you can name it, put the schedule, put a timer, however you want. You can get new firmware updates, and then you can save like the last color you used. You can turn that on. So there's a lot of stuff you guys can do. And then you go into the smart section. It has rainbow colors. Let's press that, and it'll go through the colors like a rainbow. Plus it also has another section here where you can add more smart features right here on the side. The other one area has this chameleon. So I just switched it to the chameleon one. And this right here, you can add whichever you want. But you can make it up as you go, whatever you want to do. Okay? And then it has where you can use an image. When you go to the smart section here and add a scene, you can pick your image, because the text from your camera, the files on your phone, whatever you want to do. Okay? But it's a pretty nice light bulb. It's pretty cool. You know, guys having a party and you want to have like a whole set of them, you can have like 12 of these things and just control it on your app to do whatever you want. You know, so that's another thing to do. You know, cheap way to set up lights for a party. You know, have all the little colors go in different colors, different effects, whatever you want to do. But that's a great feature to have. Okay, and as always, guys, I hope this is helpful for you. And bye bye.